Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. Do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you may not miss any Forex upload when I upload the video. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you break and retest strategy. It's very simple because we are using pure price action, and for you to understand this strategy you need to understand three things: that the market has three phases. And when I say three phases, this is what I mean. There's the upward trend, there's the downward trend, and there's the sideways trend. So not sideways, there's the sideways structure. So there's the upward, downwards, sideways. You need to understand every structure and their behavior. So in this break and retest strategy, we only interested in our upward, our downward structure, but we don't want to trade sideways structure. So let me try and elaborate more on an upward trend. On a normal chart, on a normal upward trend, this is what we mean. The market may push upwards, then pull backs, then push to create a new high. So this is a clean upward trend. On many occasions, this is not what you see in your chart. Sometimes you'll see a market like this goes up and then instead it comes down. Instead it goes up, it comes there, goes down, goes up again, goes down, goes up. So in this case, this is a clean structure, this is a messy structure. In this break and retest strategy, we need a clear trend. And when I mean a clear trend is when there is highs and high lows, and then there are new highs, and then there are new high lows. So in a clean structure, we need to identify the high highs and the high lows, the high highs and the high lows. But on the messy structure, it's very hard to identify your highs and high lows. So really avoid this structure. Let's now go to the downward trend. The downward trend, this is what happens. The market comes down, goes for a pullback, comes down again, goes for a pullback, comes down again. And then in many occasions you will find the market coming down, goes up, come down, goes not high, then go down, come up. This is a very messy structure because it's not clear what the market is doing. Yes, it's a downtrend, but it's a messy downtrend. What we want to check is when we have our lows in the market, we have our lower and lower highs. We have our lows and lower highs. We have our lows and lower highs. So if you identify a very clean structure like this, you are good to go to trade break and retest strategy. Now the other thing that I need to teach you or to show you is what it means a break and retest. Break and retest. So we have an upward trend. So we take the market was going up and then it went for a pullback. So when you say like that, this is a structure high. So we have our structure high there. So that's our structure high. So it's like our high. So why did the market just stop there? Why did it stop there? Will it come to be broke? The price, will it break when it tries to come back? So that's why we say break and retest. All we are waiting to see is our price to continue up, creating a new high, and then retest. Pull back to retest the same zone, the same place. So the minute it retests this place, that's our entry, because this was continuation of the market. Continuation, exhaustion, continuation, exhaustion, and these exhaustions are the pullbacks in the market. So in this case, this is our entry, and this is a very confirmed entry, and you will be with much confidence to enter this market. So let me show you on a downward trend. On a downward trend, this is what happens. The market is trending down and then it pulled back. So this is a a structure of a lower structure level. So this is our lower structure or a lower low. So all we need to see is the market breaking, all we need to see is the market breaking our lower low and then retesting the same place. So what is our entry if we want to short this market? It's this place, and this is what it's called break and retest strategy. Now guys, let me show you with examples in the charts. So guys, now we are on our live chart. Let me just show you a live an example of a break and retest strategy that you can do or that has happened. So in this chart, you can identify this is our highest level, and the sellers have been pushing this market and creating lower lows and lower highs. Structure low level was not getting broken. This is the structure low. It was not getting broken because every time the sellers would come, they will hit the same place. Don't try to trade this market until it breaks, because the strategy is break and retest. Even when it breaks, don't trade, because you already know that you want to trade the retest of this strategy, the retest of this market. So the market kept pushing to this level. It pushed again and again until when it broke. Now, as we can see, it has broken our structure. All you need to do is to wait, because the minute the structure had stayed for a long time in this zone, it had to come back. So your eyes are waiting on the retest of this market. So you wait. This is where you wait, you capitalize on. So whenever you see the market coming up, it's coming to retest. So what you do is to take your downtrend. After now creation of this, the exhaustion of the uptrend, this is your entry. Your stop loss is just above that high. And how will you know where to take your profits? Come down to the lowest, the previous low of the market, and that's where you know where to target. And this was a good trade. Just it break and retest strategy, or break and retest trading gives huge results. So this was a very good, how many pips? This was 118 pips if you only took this trade. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you have learned one or two things about break and retest strategy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Until next time, bye bye.